My dear brothers and sisters, as we near the end of the liturgical year, the Gospel reminds us that everything in this world has an end. Jesus says that even the most beautiful buildings will one day fall. It is a simple reminder that the things we hold on to tightly will not last forever. Yes, we work hard for success. We work hard for comfort and security. These are good things, but they can fade. Our strength weakens, our plans change, our achievements are forgotten. Yet, there is one thing that never changes: the love of God. Jesus tells us today, do not be terrified. The world may shake, life may trouble us, but God stays. His love remains. His mercy endures. So today, let us hold on not to what fades, but to God who stays. When everything feels uncertain, may we say, Lord, be my strength. When we have Him, we have what will last forever. Amen.